Just take a look at this slice of sweet potato pudding. Look at how nice, how moist this slice looks. Hello, hello, hello everyone. Welcome back to CHANNE'S Cooking. Thank you so much for tuning in one more time. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how I make Jamaican sweet potato pudding. Yes, you heard me right. So the ingredients that I'll be using today, first the star, some sweet potato. I have a piece of yam. This one is optional. I have some salt, some ginger, brown sugar, some raisins and mixed spice with white rum and red label wine, some vanilla, ground cinnamon, some freshly grated coconut, some mixed spice, nutmeg, vanilla almond essence, some freshly squeezed coconut milk, browning, all-purpose flour, some melted margarine, and some lime juice. So let's go. Okay, so in this large bowl I have exactly 4 cups of grated sweet potato. To this I'm gonna be adding the grated yam, and this is about half a pound. Next I'm gonna be adding 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, and we're gonna mix this all together. Alright, so in this bowl I have 1 cup of mixed peel and raisins that I blended in half a cup of red label wine and white rum. To this I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Then I'm going to be adding 1/4 cup ginger. I just put the ginger in my juicer and tada, the juice came. So that's 1/4 cup. Then I'm gonna be adding 1 tablespoon of lime juice and ½ teaspoon of vanilla almond essence. I'm gonna mix this together. And then I'm gonna be pouring this mixture into my large bowl. I'm gonna mix. You have to mix well. And then to this I'm gonna be adding 1 cup of coconut milk. I'm gonna mix again. Then I'm gonna be adding 2 cups of brown sugar, and it's not a lot. It looks like a lot, but it's not. You have to put the right amount of sugar to get the real taste, to get it to taste good. Mix again. Then I'm gonna be adding 1/2 teaspoon sea salt, 1 cup all-purpose flour, and more mixing. If you have a mixer, you can mix it in the mixer too. I like to mix it by hand, so that's why I'm doing it like this. Alright, looking good. Okay, now I'm gonna be adding 2 tablespoons of melted margarine. Oops. I'm gonna mix again. Then I'm gonna be adding some nutmeg, and the nutmeg is 1 teaspoon. So 1 teaspoon nutmeg. Then I'm gonna be adding 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, a tablespoon of cinnamon, and off to mixing again. It smells so good. It's like you can eat it like this. It's smelling really good. Alright, so now I'm gonna be adding the browning, just for color, not a lot. Maybe like about a teaspoon of browning. Just for color. And let's mix. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of water, maybe like about 1/2 cup to this mixture. Now we're gonna move on to the next stage. Okay guys, so now it's time to get this mixture into the oven. I've already preheated my oven at 350 degrees. I've also greased 2 baking casserole dish with soft margarine. So now I'm gonna be pouring the mixture into the dishes. So the first one. So now that they are done, I'm gonna be placing them in the oven, and then I'll check on them after an hour and a half or so. Alright, so it's been exactly an hour and a half. I took them out the oven to check them. So now let's check together to see if they're done. And yep, nice and clean. See the other one? Nice and clean. So yes, they are done. So I'm just going to leave them now to completely cool. Then I'll remove them from the baking dish and I'll show you what they look like. Woohoo! Oh yes, and there you have it guys. That is what my sweet potato pudding looks like. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. And if this is a recipe that you like, try it and let me know in the comment section how it turns out. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!